Pag magninegosyo ka, there are two skills that you need to develop before you become a business person. One, managing people. And two, managing finances. Any advice po sa graduating student na gusto po mag-start ng business? Meron. Go work for someone else. Kala nyo madali magnegosyo? Ang dami-dami yung skills na kailangan pag-aralan. Hindi madali ang magnegosyo. Pag magninegosyo ka, there are two skills that you need to develop before you become a business person. One, managing people. And two, managing finances. Kung gusto mo dumiretso sa negosyo, that will take a long time to learn. Kala nyo, produkto-produkto yung negosyo, benta yan. Magagalit ka pag na-reject ka. To me, if you're a graduating student, kung mayaman tatay mo, go ahead, magnegosyo ka. Maraming ka namang pwedeng sunugin na pera. Pero kung wala, go work for someone else. And then use your job to gain experience on how to run a business. Tapos, paglabas mo, huwag kang mamili ng trabaho. Maski anong trabaho, basta matuto ka magnegosyo. Ibuboy-boyin lang naman nila ako dyan eh. Totoo. Ano namang masama nun? Natuto ka na magnegosyo, kumita ka pa.